morning, everyone present here, respected Principal Father Joshua, Mother Rector Hilaris, Sister Vice Principal, teachers, my friends, and all of you. A little bit emotional today. I have never been so emotional. Whenever I came to the podium, I was very confident, but today, a little bit not that in the state of mind to talk with that confidence. But again, talking of my work in St. Xavier's, I joined the school in the year 2018. First time the higher secondary started. With a blink of an eye, I spent 7 years and 6 months in the school. When I first came here, 2018, as a teacher, I was a newcomer with very less experience. Suddenly, the day I was writing my resignation letter, I counted, and it is 7 years and 6 months. It's quite a long time that I've spent here, and I tried to contribute in whichever way I could to the school, and I gave my best and gave 100% in whatever way I could. I'm not a very emotional person, but yeah, today a little bit breaking down. But then again, knowing that fact that I will not get this opportunity to talk to all of you here, I feel bad. First of all, I am going to Jorhat, appointed as a postgraduate teacher in English, and this name of the school is Jorhat Girls Higher Secondary. It's not a co-education institution. It is going to be an entirely girls higher secondary. Again, going to girls higher secondary and teaching will be a different challenge. Since I have always been brought up in a co-education institution, and joining there as a teacher in a girls higher secondary, I will have my own challenges. But then again, I know that I have very experienced teachers who have taught me in this school. So whenever I need any suggestions, I'll definitely call you up and ask for help. My work in St. Xavier's School, Harmony, since 2018 to 2025, I've learned a lot. Came as a fresher, as I have told you. Came as a fresher, but then again learned, made mistakes. Senior teachers guided me. Whenever there was any fault, it has been pinpointed, and I tried to learn that and try to make as many less mistakes that I could, so that I could serve the school in the best way I could. So my time in St. Xavier's School has been worthwhile. I have learned a lot. I spent 12 years as a student in the school, 7 years as a teacher in the school. So it's been a long time that I have spent as a person in the school. So whatever I am right now, it's because of this school. The person that I am since my childhood till now, a lot of credit goes to St. Xavier's School, Harmony, and the teachers here. Many of the teachers have seen me since I was a very small child, and to the person that I've grown up now, we have seen different phases of my life, what I am, or my introduction. You don't need to know anything about me. You know everything since I was a small child. So thank you to all of you here for shaping me, for guiding me, teaching me, protecting me, and giving everything that I require to be a good person. And I am still in the process of evolving, learning, and I'll do whatever I can. The values of Don Bosco St. Xavier's School, Harmony, is there in me. And it's because of this that I'm growing up now. I'm learning. I've never stopped. I'm still in the process of learning, achieving, and doing more. I have some more plans to write some more exams. I will not stop. And so this is what Don Bosco has taught me. You don't give up so easily. Continue to fight. In whichever phase you are, you will always come out. Now coming to the present, what the school has evolved since the time it was set up. This institution is a home to me and home to so many of you here. So many teachers have taught here for more than 25 years. Experienced teachers have left, teachers still teaching, and will continue to teach. So St. Xavier School Haapati will always be there in my heart, and a piece of me will always remain here. The motto which our school says, learn and serve. This motto is there in all of you. It is there in me, and that is why we are all successful as a teacher. No matter whichever position we are, no matter a teacher teaches in a lower primary school, or you're teaching in a nursery school, or you're teaching in a higher secondary, all of you have achieved the status of a successful teacher, and this status, the image, the respect which all of you, including me, which we all get in Haapati is because of the institution. So teachers like me will come and go. Today I am leaving. 2-3 years back, some of you will leave. And then slowly and slowly teachers will come and leave. Some teachers will retire. Teachers who have taught me, they will one day retire. So this is the process, coming, teaching, going. So we have tried to contribute in whichever way we could. And the institution is always bigger than us. We will come and go, teachers will come and go, teachers will contribute, teachers will teach, teachers will leave their presence in the school. But the institution was there, is there, and will always be there. This institution will stand always first when it comes to the entire region here. So as there is a poem by Lord Alfred Tennyson where he says, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. So I would like to say this school will go on forever. Teachers will come, go, but the institution is bigger than each and every one of us. We are here because of the institution. We have teachers from different parts of India. Teachers from West Bengal, teachers from Bihar, different parts of Assam we have here. It is because of the institution. Without the institution, we have lost, we will not have any identity. So the institution stands tall. I will leave with all your blessings. The senior teachers, bless me before I leave. This is very important for me, the blessings. Bless me before I leave. And my friends and colleagues, before I conclude my speech today, the message which I want to give you is, and which I followed here, that you have to enjoy being in St. Xavier's. You have to enjoy. Whatever time you are, whatever period you are working here, maybe 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, 7 years, you need to enjoy the process. Especially the teachers who have joined recently, and the fresh newcomer, new teachers. Enjoy the process, enjoy your process, enjoy your stay in St. Xavier's School. You will love it, you will enjoy it. Ups and downs will be there, but then again you enjoy the process of teaching in St. Xavier's School as long as you are here, contribute. So the day when you leave, you will be a happy person. Because one day we know we all have to leave. No one is permanent. We all have to leave one day. It is just a matter of time. Time will pass. So enjoy the time that you are here and contribute and stay very happily. Thank you and goodbye.